Hey, this is Jason with PTCI. Now we are in Sling in the On-Demand and the Rent tabs. First, in On-Demand, what we have here is content that is available on demand to watch. You're typically going to have to watch the commercials as a part of that, but it does leave a lot of content that doesn't have to be recorded. They'll be broken down in categories. First, popular shows, there's hit movies. They've got listed feel-good favorites, which obviously has some older shows on here like I Love Lucy. They'll bring it down in categories like family movies and kid favorites as well. So you can look through here and find shows that you watch, whether it's a movie or whether it's a series. You can also look over here. Sling is one of the few of these that offer streaming services that offer rent, where you can rent movies or special events. Right now I've got the Charlie's Angels movies highlighted. If I click OK on that, you'll notice that it says $5.99. So I have to click OK for that, and it's already telling me how much I'll be charged to watch that movie. There are also other events like specialty events like professional wrestling events that are pay-per-view, and also boxing events that are pay-per-view that are available on this rent tab as well. So that is the on-demand and rent tabs for Sling.